You've been shattered, you've been broken down. Heart is beating.
Ang pogi ka rin sa Army. Palakpakan guys.
Sorry guys, hindi tayo on TV.
Oo, video okay pala to. Sarado muna natin. Okay lang na dyan na, pero sarado muna natin. Mamaya natin buksan pagsasabi. Buksan ba natin? Yung video okay. Sige, para makasabay sila. Buksan natin yung lyrics para makasabay sila. Nawala ulit. Ayun.
Diyan na. Ano itong kami, di ba? Oo.
Ready ka na, partner?
Okay. Ready na?
Ayan.
So, welcome po sa bawat isa. I swear, been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything with. Can't imagine anything two of us can do. Through the years, Lord, let me down. You turn my life around. The sweetest things about.
Sabay-sabay.
Through the years, I've never been afraid. I love the life we made, and I'm so glad I'd stay right here with you. Through the years.
Yung parang nag-practice. Ako naman. Ako naman.
I can't remember what I used to do when I trusted you. I listened to before. Sabi ko na gigilig eh. I say, baby, to everything is. Can't imagine anything with this. Can't imagine anything the two of us can do. Through the years, all the goods and bad.
Nawala tuloy ako.
I knew how much we had. I've always been so glad to be with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You kiss my tears away, as long as it's okay. I'll stay with you through the years.
Oh, banat, mataas yun.
Through the years, when everything went wrong, together we were strong. I know that I belong right here with you. Through the years, I never had a doubt. We'd always work things out. I've learned what love's about by loving you through the years.
Yung palakpakan naman, parang hindi bumita. Yan, maraming salamat po. Pinabalik na po namin. Ito po yung dalawa po namin retirees. Yan.
Saglit lang. Practice lang muna. Antayin yung may tugtog. Ayan.
Ayan, ready na rin po yung grade 4. Sir Felix at si
Siyempre,
Sir
si
Makundo.
Sir Rod dyan. Kasama si Sir Rod, ah. Unahin muna natin si Sir Rod tsaka si Sir Makundo. Dali. Kikisan niyo muna yung yung mga lalaking partner nila. Buti mga anak. Ayan. Napaka-bait. Pag-impress mo siya, no? Pag kunyari, katulad yan to, may event ng Christmas party, ng Teacher's Day. Mamatid, baka naman pwede. Ay, oo, hindi ka na magdadalawang salita. Generous yan pagdating sa ganun. Ganun din naman si Mang Felix. Pwede ko rin naman napunta ng sobre ngayon. Ganun ba? Inis yan kasi tawag dito. Hindi. Yung nakasakit siya, nangako ako na nadadalaw ako sa kanya. Kaso nagkakataon na nangangati yung oras ko. Hindi katawan.
Caniola. Isa siya sa masasabi nating hardworking pero tahimik na guro ng Dangari. Hindi siya miyembro ng Marites Gang. Kumbaga nariyan lang siya para magturo.
Hindi man ako napunta ng grade 3 kasi ayaw ko nagtukot. hindi sa katrabaho. Kaya ayaw ko doon. Alam nila Ma'am Nyola yun. Sa trabaho mismo, no? Ito si Ma'am Be talaga, no? Kahit na ilang sa Danghari, 25 years, hindi naman kami masyadong close. 25 years lang ako sa Danghari pero hindi in service. Alam nila yan. Napakabait nila sa amin ng nanay ko nung napunta kami dyan. Talaga, napaka-generous nilang lahat ng mga, ayan si Ma'am Lilia, ayan, pagka may mga, alam mo na, may mga blessing, kami punta ka sa bahay, ayan. Wala naman ako masyado masabi, ikot.
Ako ayaw mo pa, pero wala ka ng choice. Kailangan mo ng mga tayo. Kailangan mo ng sakaya, kailangan mo ng no matter what, akin mo natin. Whenever you go to
ako nakapag-gets.
Oh. Iiyak na yan. Charot. Oh, bagets. Si ano ba yan, be?
Maginis na yung retarded si mga parents.
Kaibigan pa sila.
Same day edit. Oh. Ang galing yung edit. May pa SDE, oh. Ano ba bayad?
You've been shattered, you've been broken down. Heart is beating, still won't make a sound. It feels like an angel straight from heaven, just like my lucky number 7. You're my shooting star. We're running round in circles, love feels so invincible. Feel you when there's no one around. Your beauty's so amazing, I will always hold you down. Your heart will be kept safe and sound. But I don't wanna love you when I'm faded. You're the picture